Alright guys, so it's fitted. It took a little bit of weeping and gnashing of teeth, but I got it together. I may actually take some out of this and just bring it back and leave it just thick enough here to register, because I think this looks like crap. This piece right here didn't work out exactly the way I wanted it to. I was actually going to try to put a hinge on it, but I think that's going a little too far. So I think I'm going to come up with a shape for this that I like better, and then we'll come up with a trigger mechanism. It's a little clumsy, but it works. And making crossbow bolts out of 2x4 material, those are one-time use. This is the second time I had to tie the string, and I've got an extra wrap on it, extra backed up knots, and burned the tips of my paracord. But this thing's firing straight. I really wasn't expecting it to work this good. So really all I need to do now is put my little clip back here that will hold the bolt on. And I'm going to have to make some more bolts. I only made 3. I just wanted enough to test it. And this little trigger mechanism I came up with is just pushes the pin up like that. So it's a little bit of a reach, but pushes the pin up and it works, and it's firing and it's shooting straight. This, I mean, I thought I was just going to be making a toy. This thing's actually moving pretty quick. There's the part that came back. Yeah, these bolts are single use, but I'm extremely impressed with how straight they're flying. I mean, they're wobbling, otherwise it would have stuck into the towels. So if I had fletching on them, they'd probably fly a lot straighter trajectory, but I only have 4 left, and I'm out of 2x4 material long enough to make more, unless I scavenge them from the shoulder rest, which I may do because that thing's kind of a pain. So let me see if I can figure out some fletching. Alright, so this is thinner on the edges than it is in the middle. So I'll just split that and super glue those to the sides of the bolts.